Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Durango, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is your go-to team for local moves. We know the ins and outs of the city like the back of our hands, and that's a massive advantage for you. We'll handle all the heavy lifting for you during a local move. Our team will carefully load your belongings onto our sturdy trucks, ensuring everything is securely packed. Once we arrive at your new address, we'll unload at your place, and your items will be exactly where you want them. You won't have to worry about a thing. When it comes to long-distance moves, we go the extra mile to ensure the safety and security of your precious belongings. Our skilled team will expertly pack your items using high-quality materials, preventing any damage during transit. We understand your possessions hold sentimental and financial value, so we handle them carefully. Unlike local moves, long-distance movers require more planning and coordination. We'll work closely with you to create a tailored moving plan that fits your needs. Our team will handle all the logistics, including organizing, transportation, and scheduling. We provide the best pricing options to suit your budget without compromising the quality of our services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Durango moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.